In this episode of Tasman Travels, we're taking you around some stunning lakes and waterways just outside the tourist town of Twizel in the Mackenzie region of New Zealand. Fishing, kayaking, biking, and nearly wrecking a tyre, we also take a side trip out to the magnificent clay cliffs. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you enjoy watching our videos, you can help us out by buying us a coffee or supporting us on Patreon to receive some awesome extra content. Click the links in the description and have a look. So we're just pulling into our campsite for the night, Lake Poaka .camp. It's a free one. It's down a K or two of gravel road, but nothing too bad.
Somebody on one of the apps, and the MCA app, said it's four-wheel drive. It's not at all, in the slightest.
It's fine.
It's fine. So, we're all set up. Tommy's just done my hair and he's now doing his. And this is Lake Poaka. Think barbecue and some bevies. It's a barbecuing time.
Hey.
What we having tonight?
Beef burgers for you. We've got myself some nice falafel burgers.
Thank you.
We've got some beautiful asparagus from our friends in Twizel.
Thank you, Ali and Phil.
And then
fresh from their garden.
We're going to make a lovely green and tomato salad.
Nice, nice.
With some drizzled olive oil and bits and pieces. And then we've got some nice beers and wine. And we've got this lovely view.
What a view. What a view.
Not bad. I found it.
So what happened, honey?
The ground swallowed up my water shoe. Got stuck.
Had a bit of a issue with one of the kayaks. Got a hole in it, so had to tape it up. And it's gorgeous. Really, really shallow lake. Black swan just took off. A lone black swan. Over there's some geese. Oh, Tom just bumped me.
I just bumped you.
Geese and goslings. Can't see them though. Loads of birds. Wow, look at this. See, are some goslings. The parents keep moving them all around because I think we're scaring them. Really test my zoom out. Wow. You sure? Honey, why did you come round this way? Give me a hand. We are going to go for a bike ride just over to the canal so Tommy can do some fishing. Put the awning out, and because of what happened at Cook's Beach, if you haven't seen that episode, look at that episode. I'm extremely paranoid about any sort of wind and the awning. So Tommy is reassuring and re-securing the awning with ropes and everything. What we do is we peg into the ground like this. Then we have this rope and we peg this into the ground and attach it up here on both sides. Then we have this supporting pole that wedges in, and this awning also has these arms on either side. The other thing we use from the old awning.
Just a pole.
Just an old supporting arm that was on the awning that died. Might be slippy. Oh, whoa. Yeah, maybe not, babe. On your bike, son. Alan and he's feeling lucky. First cast. Well, that was just beautiful. Beautiful, Kim, beautiful. I know.
I hope it's not stuck. Nothing. Great.
More ducks. How are you? I haven't opened a duck cafe, honestly. What is going on?
So we're going on a fish hunt. I'm just cycling down the Waitaki canal, see if I can see any fish. The water's so clear you can see a lot of them. Just trolling the edges. I've seen a couple of big ones already but had no luck, so I'm just going to carry on. So I thought I would bike down to another lake, and this is Loch Cameron. Thought I might have some better luck here, so I'll give it a go. I've cast once and I've already got a bite. So fingers crossed.
Day 2 on the canal, trying to catch some dinner. No luck so far. It is absolutely specky out here. Look at it. Now, sissy there, walk. Look at the colour of that water. Bikes. Oh, I just saw some in there. And look, the lupins are coming out. Aren't they gorgeous? Wow. Oh, God. It's crazy. Woo!
Oh, it's cold.
Yeah. Oh, I don't like it.
Are you okay? Go on.
I don't want to.
Go on.
No, I don't like
Go
it,
on.
baby. I
Go
don't
on.
like it. I don't like it.
Go on.
I don't like it.
Let's go.
I don't like it. I don't like it.
Fine.
I don't like it. So I think this is maybe night 3 at Lake Poaka, and we've had great weather, but the wind has started to pick up. It's got a little bit chilly as well. Also, this person here with 2 really yappy, aggressive, annoying dogs. I'm sick to death of listening to it, to be honest. Wait a minute, this is a dog camp. You're not allowed dogs at dog camps, are you? Have a look. You're not even allowed dogs here. I mean, come on. Now I need the beer. Kayak to the shop, baby. No. Go on.
Woke up this morning, had a look at the tyres, well George did, noticed one was a bit down, so I think we've got a flatty.
How does this go up? Do I need to undo this?
I'll help you. So it must have been on the gravel road that we was on. There's a spare. Hopefully it can just be repaired because it's not gone down like hugely, has it?
No, you can't even really tell now, can you?
It was at 60 psi and now it's at 23 or something. We'll wait and see. Well, that's us for the next hour or so.
We've called the AA. We couldn't get it off. We've been trying for absolutely ages. The bolt thing's off. We've been jumping on it. We've tried longer poles. We've tried everything. Very sweaty and smelly. We're AA members. We've got quite a few call outs left for the year, so we thought, right, let's just call them because we're busy doing other stuff today anyway. They can just come out, do it properly, get it fixed. So they'll put the spare wheel on with the spare tyre. Then we'll take the flat one into Goodyear in Twizel tomorrow to hopefully just get it repaired. So yeah.
Coming into our campsite for the night. We've been here 4 years ago, didn't we?
I don't know if we stayed here, did we?
Yeah, I think so.
Archival property.
Oh wow.
It's busy.
Oh.
We might not get somewhere. So there's us right on the end. We have to squeeze in at the back. And then all the vans and camp caravans go up that way. Just along here. Yeah, the salmon farm there. And this is it. And it's absolutely fine. We're only going to be here for one night, I reckon. Take the other tyre to be repaired. But it's nice, isn't it? Do us fine.
Yeah.
So I'll just take you for a walk. So here's all the fishing information. There's loads of these signs around which Tommy's been following because he has his fishing licence now. And that's the sign there. Maximum stay 5 nights. Pack in, pack out, leave no rubbish. Oh, there you go. So it's from Meridian Energy. Thank you, Meridian. Our tyre looked at, and mate is just taking it off now. So fingers crossed, everybody, that it's just an easy repair, which is going to be like 40 bucks or 50 bucks. Can't wait to get our screens.
So, turned out not to be a punctured tyre, it was just a valve that needed replacing, easy as and a real cheap fix.
We have just got to Lake Ruataniwha and it's gorgeous. Look at this. So you're right up on this sort of hill cliff thing. A couple more campers down there. There's the lake, bloody big lake. It's lovely here, really quiet. You have to be self-contained to be on this bit. I'm not sure about the other bit, I will find out. And I have no idea how long you can stay here, I'll find that out as well. But it's lovely. We went to the Mint Cafe this morning for brekkie and spent an absolute fortune on a breakfast bun, so I was a bit knocked about that. Have some of our Mackenzie cafetiere or plunger coffee in the Mackenzie region.
So we just thought we'd go for a bike ride.
Bye!
And Jordan's off. Come back. Yeah, just finished doing some worky bits and now I'm just gonna go and explore the lake.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild.
Happy birthday, dear Tommy. Happy birthday to you. Yay. And we're going out on the lake on the kayaks, which will be nice. Tommy's going to do some fishing. Have seen a couple of speedboats. Hopefully we'll be alright. We'll just stick to the banks. Now it's a bit of a mish to get down, so what we're going to do is take the kayaks down in their bags and blow them up when we're down there, because they're quite awkward to carry.
Moonlight, summer sky, it was the best we ever had. And we'll stay on forever, we'll never have regret.
It took us about 15 minutes on the banks to blow them up, put them together, easy as. Bob's your uncle. These are great, isn't they? These are great.
Yeah, I love them.
So we got the inflatable ones because we wanted kayaks, and the only place normal kayaks could go would be on the roof of the van, and that would cover all our solar. So yeah. And the pump and everything is just in here, because the pump's really light as well. Easy.
We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shot from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. We're gonna be. We're gonna be two hearts running wild.
So we're going for my birthday dinner into Twizel, and what's the name of the restaurant?
Fishtail.
Fishtail. I think it's like a Indian Nepalese. Made it.
Tom still looks perfect. That was a bit of a slog, but we're here. I've just got to wait for Tom to sort his life out, and we'll be sweet. So we didn't record the actual meal, but what's left of it, and somebody's happy.
It was so yummy.
So good.
Highly recommend coming here.
So Tom had the
Chana masala.
and I had the chicken sagwala, and it was so good.
Now pour it.
Sorry, sir, we don't have champagne flutes, but it ain't champagne, so it don't matter.
Just as good in my opinion. Well, maybe not, but
It's still wet, isn't it? There you go, baby.
look at that.
Do treat me.
So we decided to go to the clay cliffs in Omarama, I think. It's a long gravel road, and there they are.
Yeah, that's some of the worst corrugation I think we've ever been on here. We've been here before, don't remember it being that bad. So it's $5 to get in, it's a donation box.
Yeah.
This is on private land, isn't it?
Yeah.
The clay cliffs, they look pretty awesome.
And all the loop-ins are out as well, so it's
Yeah.
quite a nice drive. It's just very bumpy.
Very slow. I can't remember how long it takes to get to them, but I just remember that we wore thongs last time. That wasn't the right thing to do.
It's a Lord of the Rings film location as well.
Is it?
Yeah, I think that's why it's so popular. Car park is full.
The clay cliffs are a classic example of a badlands terrain with steep walled box canyons and numerous towers and pinnacles. No heels, no flip-flops, no anything really. as well. I got far.
Yeah, you did.
Yeah.
You having fun there?
I'm having fun there. It's really steep and slippery.
Wow.
How do I turn around?
Good views from here though.
Yeah. Yeah, told you not to do it.
Okay, so I got myself into a pickle. Gone quite high up and it's got too steep. So I'm gonna have to go down and Jordan's left me.
Beedoo, 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 beedoo. Beedoo, 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 beedoo. What do you call that then?
Crab walk.
How did you find that, honey?
Really good.
How long is it from the car park to here?
10 minutes. Not long. A lot of uphill though.
Yeah, not really steep, but it's all this, so wear good shoes. Lovely views. Really like this part of the country. It's gorgeous. Vast, dry.
Yeah.
Really good fun.
It's not a long walk at all,
No.
but it's worth it.
Yeah, definitely. Just proper shoes. We actually got it to ourselves for about 3 minutes then, which was nice.
Yeah, even though the car park was full.
Where is everyone?
Yeah, I don't know.
So now we're gonna take a very slow drive again out. And no, we have no plans, which is nice. We don't need to have plans. Just enjoy the loopings. Gorgeous, aren't they?
Yeah.
They smell really nice.
So we're on our way to Lake Ohau, and we're basically here actually.
She's beautiful.
So we made it to the end camp, Round Bush Camp it's
Look
called.
how tight this is. Is this suitable for caravans?
No, it's very tight. Maybe there.
Quite level. Come in and have a look. We're all set up and we've already been for a swim, which was extremely refreshing, wasn't it? Cleared out all the cobwebs and it's lovely here. Camped in the Lupins. So it's a nice big campground. There's only one other camper here and then somebody's just ducking in to have a look, I think. We hope it stays like this because we don't want to see a lot of people today. It's really quite warm. A few sandflies are out and the comments did say that, but it's going to happen. I think this dot camp is free, actually. It's free for us anyway because of the pass, but I think it's free for everyone. Oh. Huh. Round Bush Camp, and look, you can have pets here on a lead. No fires, there's a fire ban everywhere in the Mackenzie country. Oh yeah, so you can make a donation as well, which is good. But no, it's lovely. Look at where we're parked.
So I'm fishing on Lake Ohau or Ohau. I don't know how to say it. Not had any luck. Spin casting my line out, and I've got a metal jig, and I'm just like trailing the. Jordan's speaking on the walkie.
What's up? Yeah, if you look like you're windy, you'll probably see me. No, I'm talking to the camera. I'm on video.
Yeah, so I just put the line out and kayak in front of it, but it just doesn't seem to be any bites or anything, so I'm not too fussed. I'm really enjoying kayak fishing. I think it's great. The scenery is amazing. This is a sweet spot. No fish for dinner.
Bobbing along, bobbing along. So apparently you will find rainbow and brown trout in Lake Ohau between 1 and 2 kilograms. You will also find somebody like getting changed in a rental, outside their rental. Like, I think I just saw her bum. Just go in your car, that's disgusting. Anyway, and you'll also find some landlocked salmon, apparently. Tommy's still out there. I'm just put some saucies on the barbie, some smoky beef saucies. And the sandflies are annoying, and it's hot, so you want to be outside. Might not look like much, but that is going to be yummy. Ooh.
Morning. Woke up this morning and it was really peaceful and quiet, so had to get on the lake. All you can hear is like a few trickles of small waterfalls by the shoreline.